Hi everyone, React Universe Conf is right behind the corner and they just dropped the agenda. So let's go through it. And if you hold on with me, I'll share a 15% discount code for the tickets with you. So let's start with day one. We'll start with the keynote from the core team and some folks from Callstack. We have React Native releases in 2025, which is something that I'm looking forward because it's about 1.0 maybe for React Native and its stability. So we'll see what Jorge presents to us. There is a talk from lead architect at Lynx, Xuan. That's to be announced, but this is definitely gonna be a talk about competing framework for React Native. AI SDK v5 by Matt Pocock. I really look forward to it. Matt is also holding a workshop a day before, so make sure to check that if you're interested. And it's a crash course on AI SDK v5, like one of the best libraries for AI out there. Hermes with Node API, Match Made in Heaven. This is by folks from Microsoft, Vladimir and Kalev. So Vladimir is the person that is bringing Node API support to Hermes. This is a Herculean effort. Mark Rusevi, to be announced. I'm pretty sure he's going to talk about Nitro modules or Nitro views or something new in the area. Structured query language, the other AI, or like SQL. Because this is from the creator of SQLite, Dr. Richard Hipp, one of the brightest minds out there and one of the nicest people I met. He's going to talk about the automatic programming that SQL engines are using for decades. The generations of React by Anisha from Amazon. She's going to tell us about how we evolved from class components to hooks to compiler. And I hope that will make sense for the newcomers to React and React Native for how all of this different syntaxes and different ways of writing React is now being combined in those legacy code bases. We have Retraceable. There's a new library that I think is not released yet. It's a pluggable tracing framework using Nitro modules. And this is by Arthur and Dominic from Callstack. I really look forward to this talk because I hope it's not only going to be about systrace, Tracy, Nitro modules, but also about observability and OpenTelemetry. A complete toolset for a scalable C++ and JavaScript ecosystem. So this is Dr. Kubilay from Oxford University talking about CPP.js. This is super interesting library. Go check it out. Is your app guesswork, A/B testing, the truth in React Native? So this is a product talk from Clip My Horse TV. And this was the last talk for the day one. There is a networking party later, and we can go to the day two. So day two starts with a breakfast. You don't need to get one at the hotel. Composition is all you need by Fernando Rojo. This is, as you can see, a mystery, but I would listen to anything from Fernando. He's the head of mobile at Vercel, so maybe he's gonna share some interesting insights from that front. The over-the-air update illusion, what no one tells you about instant updates at scale from Adam. He works at Klarna, and they have a big application with a lot of engineers, and they're gonna share those lessons at scale with over-the-air updates. So I really look forward on how they handle that. Is it like either through third-party software or something proprietary? We'll see. Mission Unistyles from Jacek. So this is the Unistyles guy from CodeMask, and this library is amazing. Go try it. Then after a coffee break, we'll have Karen talking about bringing Node API to React Native. So it's like another C++ topic. There is a bunch of those at the React Universe Conf this year. And Karan will tell us why we should be excited about Node API and how it allows or will allow developers to cross the boundaries between the cross-platform frameworks like React Native and NativeScript and a bunch of others, I guess. Bridging the platform UI gap with Gen AI. So Olan's Emmanuel, he's from HelloFresh, and he will share a real-world journey of leveraging code agents to analyze and automate the conversion of web components to React Native mobile UI. So this is really interesting because there's not that much real-world use cases of using AI at scale, and HelloFresh is a big application. Looking forward to it. Zach Chappell is gonna tell us about actually distributed mobile development at scale, which is micro frontends and module federation with Repack 5. This is great. Looking forward to it. Legend List, optimizing for both mobile and web. Wait, I think Legend List is not there on the web yet. So is this gonna be some kind of announcement, Jay? I hope so. Yeah, there is something about DOM. Legend List is also like JavaScript only library. So I really hope it's gonna be a reveal of Legend List for the web. There is talk from Aurora on modern React patterns, concurrent rendering, actions, and what's next. So this is a talk on React 19 and 19.1 specifically. Also looking forward to it. Aurora is like master of live demos, so it's definitely gonna be interesting. And the last talk that we see here is from Renee Ihorn. I hope I'm not butchering your name. From Zalando or Talando, and it's about adopting cross-platform React Native at scale, and at Zalando scale. So that's like millions of users. And what's there? There's React strict DOM used in a production application that's not Facebook. So I'm really not gonna miss this talk. And then we'll have a closing panel. And that's it. I think we missed the party, which is pretty important. The party is gonna be at the second day. And thank you for staying with me as I walk you through the whole agenda of React Universe Conf. To get a 15% off of tickets, use DaiMikey15 code at checkout, and see you there.